Now we need to assemble these parts together. You should always spend some time considering how the parts fit together. Start a new assembly using the standard inch assembly template. Place the base and confirm it's straight with the world, and then ground it. Next, place the handle shaft. Constrain it in the hole in the bottom of the base. Use the insert mate and select the appropriate face and edge. Place the screw part. You may need to use free rotate to get it pointed in the right direction. Align the centers of the screw and the hole. The screw should be able to move in and out of the hole. Place the screw point part and again use the free rotate tool to point it in the right direction before mating it. Mate the screw point with the holes in the screw by aligning their centers. Then pick the back face against the back center point of the hole. Next, place the screw handle in the hole of the screw by aligning their centers. To prevent the handle from sliding out of the hole, add another mate using the plane in the middle of the handle to the plane in the middle of the screw. Add the handle ball part. Use free rotate to point it in the right direction and align its hole to the center of the handle shaft. Next, align the hole through the ball with the hole on the handle shaft. To help with your drawing presentations, keep handles and holes straight with the view. Use the planes to align the screw handle. Now place the pin, align the centers, and then use a tangent mate. This assembly is ready for the drawing now. Save it with a part number as the file name and use iProperties to give it a description.